Here's an update on the Svendborg Maersk, which lost a large number of containers while crossing the Bay of Biscay on the 14th of February. She originally reported a loss of around 50 containers at 17:08 local time. Containers went overboard in Ushant traffic separation scheme. The vessel called at the port of Malaga on Monday evening, 17th February, for restowage of the collapsed stacks and for repair of shipboard equipment hit by shifting containers. An examination by cargo surveyors on site showed that around 520 containers had been lost overboard. Maersk lines say that around 85% of those lost containers were empty and that none of the containers lost overboard held dangerous goods. 520 boxes lost is believed to be a record for the most boxes lost in a single storm damage accident, not resulting in the loss of the vessel. Reports say that Maersk Line have dispatched a recovery vessel to collect floating containers, but are expecting a large number of boxes to have sunk. Keep in touch with Shipping TV for more news and information from the world's shipping industry.